All right, well, we're back here today. It is raining. Brought in some ringers. George and Mike are on their way. They're stopping and picking some things up for us. We're gonna take all the black stained boards that we made a few weeks ago. I pre-cut them all. We're gonna deck these two wings and see if we can get some rafters and some end walls built. Sometimes she's a little janky. Okay. All right, well, Gavin and I are gonna get started without these guys. We're gonna take all of these boards and we're gonna lay them out over the top. So I'm gonna nail them all the way down on both of these. I gotta trim those ends off. When we get to this one, and one in from the end down there, I'm gonna tack these with screws. We'll have a solid surface to walk on, but when we do go to take this apart, I can just unscrew these two panels at each of these end cross posts so that we can strap it and pick it up when we take it apart to set it up. Thank you, sir. We're gonna square this first one up. None of this is open to anything. It'll all get covered by roof later, so if we're a little wonky-dory, not a big deal. Get that screw out of there. I'll pick that up in the forklift tire later. Once you bring everything down here, you can throw the gun and screw gun and everything on here, and I'll take it over there, hop down. All right, well, we're up here working. We're clearing the ceiling. George is getting all the rafters spaced. Mike's putting in a window in the gable end. We're gonna get this decked. That'll make it look like something from the inside. And then we gotta pick up some insulation after that. So I think a little more sheeting here will be done. Trying not to hit our heads on the lights anymore. So I am up here. We're gonna enclose these little triangles. I don't know what you call them, weird shapes, one on each side. So I am taking my measurements here, making a little diagram on my piece of plywood. I'll cut it out down there. The roof deck itself now on this little wing is gonna come through and hit this one and have the same overhang. Then we'll insulate on top, soffit and fascia, and this will look like something when we get done, hopefully. Hey, if you think you'd like to stay in one of these cabins, we'd love to have you. There's a link in the description below. You can book on Airbnb, and we love getting pictures of people staying there. We'll put it in the video. This is Charles' family. They stayed there. They had a blast. Thanks, Charles. All right, well, this little closet, mechanical closet, as I'm calling it, is kind of an afterthought, but quickly inside for a cabin this small, we realized we don't have a lot of room. We've had some, I don't want to say trouble with these pumps. They actually work really well, but every now and again, if you run out of water, if the power goes out, you got to fiddle with them a little bit. Doing this in an exterior, like mechanical closet will give myself or, people working there access to this pump without bothering guests. I'm hoping to get the pump, the water main, the water heater, and the electric panel in there. I gotta think about that. I'm not sure the electric panel and the water pump should mix, but neither one of them should be discharging erratically. I don't know, jury's still out. We're gonna see if this pump fits in here, make sure we got room for the equipment. The electric panel might have to go somewhere else.